So we're off from Jackson into Brighton.
Yes, we are.
Today, interestingly, we're going to ride most of the way, a lot of the way, on a trail named after a guy named Mike Levine. They renamed this trail, and it's. I'm going to read you from an article from the Michigan Trails.org website from May 2018 about Mike Levine. Mike Levine is an inventor, entrepreneur, philanthropist, Pinckney resident, and above all, a tireless supporter of the Great Lake to Lake Trails Route 1 and the Michigan Trails movement in general. So that Michigan Lake to Lake Trails 1 is the trail that we are riding on. And we're really grateful for all of the people that made such an enormous investment of time, energy, and money in building out this trail for us to ride.
Yeah, that's cool.
So thank you, Mike Levine.
Goodbye, comfort and sleep. Stop and turn on our lights.
So pretty much every day, we've gone county to county. A lot of them have been the county seat. I don't think Brighton is. But we started in Van Buren County in South Haven, and then the next county over
is the other county. We were in Kalamazoo County, weren't we?
It's Kalamazoo County. Yeah. And then Marshall was in Monroe County, and now Jackson is in Jackson County, and we're going to Brighton, which is in Livingston County, so we're going county to county. And then we're going to go to Oakland, and we'll be in Oakland County for a few.
Yeah. Yuck!
We got up.
That was a hill. Whew. You can see in the distance the prison, and then there's some beauty alert here. So rolling out of Jackson, there's a bunch of what I think are called rollers, which are those up and downs on the highway. And boy, they take the wind out of you. What fun. Trumbull Road. Beautiful. The car's not beautiful, but the flowers are. Beauty alert. And here we are at the Mike Levine Lakelands Trail. Hello. Here it is. Oh, nice. A little bit of a break. Pretty cool.
How do you get yourself?
Huh?
You just turn it around.
There you go.
Hello.
And what I do find is if this is better because your arm isn't in the way. There you go. Good job.
There we go. That's better. There's Dad.
Oh.
There you go. I have it now.
Cool.
I gotta do this. Look at it like that. That's challenging. This is challenging.
You just set it and hold it.
There's your bike.
See ya.
Hello. Now. Bump foot. Better today.
This is the Mike Levine Trail. We're being followed by butterflies that are as fast as we are. Hello. Beauty alert.
Whoa.
Hot. This is hard. This is an amazingly empty trail. I mean, there's almost nobody on it except us. I think we passed one person so far. Happy Saturday! This is one very long straight road. South Haven to Port Huron.
Oh, that was the inaugural ride last year for the Great Lake to Lake.
Yeah, we're following that tour.
Oh,
We're
okay.
following that trail, but we're just doing it ourselves too.
Well, we were part of we were on the lunch stops last year. We
Yeah.
are. So when the trail started getting improved here in our little town, this building had been just tell. It was an abandoned, there were no windows, no electricity, no water, no sewer or anything.
Wow.
So we saw an opportunity here for exactly this type of business to cater to cyclists and trail users in general, but
That's awesome.
probably.
Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Look, Mom. Eddie's reapplying sunblock like a good boy. Hello, horsies. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. So, I've been listening to a Conan O'Brien podcast with Jim Gaffigan, cracking me up. I'm like laughing on the bike by myself. It's a lot of fun and it's making the miles go by. I do recommend it. Well, that was a nice rest. What should we do now?
Now we got 15 more miles, but the ball game's starting, so it'll go nice and quick.
Oh, right.
Tigers now get ready to face the 33-year-old native of Newark, Ohio, Derek Holland.
Ooh, train trip. Ridiculously great. That's Jim Price's description of 5 runs on 5 batters in 4 home runs in the first inning. That's a good start. You can go ahead. Not sure what's going on here, but I think what I want to do is go back out to the street and make a right onto this Whitmore Lake Road and look for a path. And if we get to 9 Mile Road, we can just follow 9 Mile Road. We'll just follow Whitmore Lake. It should connect to the path somewhere, okay? Hello, Huron Meadows Metro Park. We are on our last couple miles on road into the hotel. The Shady Stop Garden Center. We're spending the night in Brighton, and so tomorrow we're traveling. Yeah, I mean it's 50 miles.
2 days in a row.
Yeah, we're going from here, Jackson, to Brighton. We're spending the night, and then we're coming home on Sunday.
Oh, okay. Right to home.
Yes.
Yes. Hey, Mom, I gotta go. I'm like,
Are you on your way?
yeah.
Love you.
I love you.
Very, very safe.
Okay.
Love you, Eddie.
Love you too.
Be safe.
Bye.